Hi, this is Ramnaya, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Guntur Engineering College. Today we are discussing about the topic Unit 2, Lecture 2, Torsion and Shafts. Previous lecture we are already discussing about the topics, important formulas about torsion and shafts. Now discussing about the topics, important problems. First problem, find the torque which is a shaft 100 diameter can transmit safely if the shear stress is not exceed to 100 Newton per mm square. Here diameter of the shaft is given, d is equal to 100 mm. Shear stress tau is equal to 100 Newton per mm square. We know the formula, T is equal to torque in shaft, T is equal to tau into pi d cube by 60. That is equal to, here tau is given 100 into pi into small d is given 10 to the power of cube by 16. Finally, the answer T is equal to 19.63 into 10 to the power of 6 Newton mm. Finally, torque T is equal to 1963 kilonewton meter. Next, problem number 2. Same problem number 1 and problem number 2 is the same. Here in this problem, given data, diameter D given 32 mm, torque T 1673.4 Newton meter. That means 167.3.4 into 10 to the power of Newton mm. We know the shear stress tau is equal to formula 16T pi d cube. Finally, tau is equal to 16 into 1673.4 into 10 to the power of 3 by pi into 32 whole cube. Finally, tau is equal to 260 Newton per mm square. What is the differences between the first problem and second problem? In the first problem, shear stress and diameter is given. Finally, torque is find out. In the second problem, diameter and torque is given. Shear stress is find out. This is the differences between the first problem and second problem. And next problem number 3. Find the power that can be transmitted by a shaft of 60 mm diameter at a speed of 100 rpm if the permeable stress is not exceed to 15 Newton per mm square. In this problem, to find the power, given data, diameter D is given, speed n is given, permeable shear stress tau is given. Finally, you know the torque formula, T is equal to pi d cube by 16 into tau. Finally, torque T is equal to 2120.57 Newton meter. To find, you know the power formula, P is equal to 2 pi nt by 60. Finally, P is equal to 2 into pi into 100 into 2120.57, that is equal to triple two double zero watts. Finally, P is equal to 22.2 kilowatts. What is the differences between first three problems? In first problem, diameter and shear stress is given to find the torque. And the next second problem, diameter and torque is given to find the shear stress. And third problem, diameter and speed and permeable stress is given to find out the power. Next, fourth one, fourth problem, a solid shaft to transmit 560 kilowatts at 300 rpm with a maximum shear stress of 60 newton per mm square. Find the suitable diameter of the shaft. Next, how to find out the diameter of the shaft? Speed n 300 rpm, shear stress tau 60 newton per mm square, power P is equal to 2 pi nt by 60. Already you know the formula. Finally, torque T is equal to 178.17825 Newton meter. Actually, you know the formula, torque T is equal to pi into pi dq by 16. Here, in this problem, to find out the D, and torque T is given, and diameter D, and speed, and shear stress also given. To find out the D, here torque formula T is equal to tau into pi dq by 16. Finally, d power 3 is equal to 16t by pi into tau. Finally, 16 into t. T means torque 178.25353 Newton meter by pi into tau. Tau already given 16 Newton per mm square. Finally, D is equal to 114.8 mm. What is the differences between the above four problems? First problem, diameter and shear stress is given to find out the torque. And second problem, diameter and torque is given to find the shear stress. And finally, fourth problem, shear stress, speed, diameter is given to find out the diameter. And fifth problem also same, to find out the a solid shaft 125 mm diameter transmit 120 kilowatts at 160 rpm. Find the maximum shear stress induced in the shaft. Find also the angle of twist in a length of 7.5 meters. Take G is equal to 8 into 10 to the power of 4 Newton mm square. Here, in this diameter of shaft given, power transmitted. Finally, torque T is equal to 7161.97 into 10 to the power of 3 Newton mm. Maximum shear stress induced tau is equal to 16t pi dq. Finally, tau, to find out the tau, and length of the shaft L is equal to 7.5 meters given, that is equal to 7500 mm. Modulus of rigidity given 8 into 10 to the power of 4 Newton per mm square. Angle of twist formula TL by GJ. Finally, theta is equal to, here in this problem, to find the theta, angle of twist, shear stress and torsion. Finally, to find the angle of twist theta. Theta is equal to formula T into L into 32 by G into pi d power 4. Finally, theta is equal to 0.028 radian. In degrees, 1 degree 604 seconds. In the sixth problem also same. same. This is the very important problem. Thank you one and all.